Hello and welcome. And yes, I know my head is a little bit chopped off by the camera, but that is a reason for that. This is an unboxing video. I got some stuff I ordered from China. First thing I ordered from China in a long time now. Well, let's open it up and see. First of all, is the right stuff I ordered. I must say this delivery came really fast, and it also came with a recommended letter, so no problems with delivery. Came much earlier than suspected, and well, it's standard packed. So let's open it up and see what it is. It's just some well, not any useful stuff really. It's just for fun, and if you think it's a little bit the picture is like foggy, and then it's correct. I have some fog in this room at the moment. I had made myself a homemade fog machine, so that's why it's a little bit foggy. It's really not dark here now. So here we got a tripod stand, and what do we have more? We got a power cord, seems like a short one, and we got a laser, a small laser light for, well, stage and DJ and so on. And that is the one I ordered. I will plug this in, and we will have a check on how it is. First of all, we will look at the back of this laser light, and I see that we have I need to get myself new glasses. Have this too long now. We have a strobo flash, if you want this like strobo, I think. Strobo flash controller. We have also motor controller, that I guess is the speed. And we have music on and off, if it will be censor the music you're playing. And let's see, we got the strobo flash on and off. It's like yeah, you can have it on and off, and you can adjust the speed. Let's and I would show the back. I don't know if you can see it that good, but I hope I focus. Oh well, that's how it looks back. And we got a little fan, as you can see, as well. So that's about it. And of course you get the power in. So I will hook this one in, and of course if you buy this one, this was really cheap. I could bought it in Sweden as well, but I got a really good price on it. So from China, they are not that expensive in Sweden either. I will go out of picture now because I need to get my power, get some power here, but because I'm really, the first thing I saw here now is that this is a really short cable for the power, so you will need an extension cord of some kind if you're going to place it anywhere. So power plugged in, and as you see, it started to, and I got music off at this moment, so it's run on auto. I will send it back on to that wall, you can see how it changes now. And when it's dark, of course, and have some fog, you will see the beams as well. If you buy this one, be sure to not look into this trying to change the speed a little bit, to not look into the light directly. You will get blinded for a while at least. Not permanently, but well, it's not that good looking. So it seems like it's working. My cat is really looking at it now. And let's put on strobe. No, let's see. Now strobe is on. Yeah. I don't see any. Yeah, no, strobe is on, and now is off. Yeah, that's. I must say. Oh yeah, the number one is strobe flash, and as you can see, now is off. And well, I will try this a little bit more later on when it's dark as well. And that was off at. So we got two settings. You got strobe, you get ordinary, and we got music, and this was the speed. Now I'm turning up the speed. Now it's on music, and you see it reacts when I talk. Let's see if I got some music here. I only got my I must do like this. I must put my speakers in. I only have some small piece of speakers, so it is. It seems to work. Don't get any warm now. I haven't have it on that long, but the fan is going, and well, it sounds like not that much. Don't give that much. Sorry, don't that give that much sound. A little bit. It's just like well, PC fan, small PC fan. I guess if you really like it, you can change it to an even more quiet one. So it seems to work, and well, and you can see now I have some fog, but it's not. You see the light in the fog. And of course, when it's dark, it's going to be even more. So I think that will be a nice effect, though. But it's too bright now, of course, and I have not not having that much fog in this room. My small fog machine. It's made of I made some liquid, and I used only candles and so on. So it's not that advanced, but it gives some smoke. I put the smoke on so I can try this out later and see how it works in the dark with some more smoke. But you can see the beams a little bit now. So, and you got the mount that you either can it's a hole down here that you can put the tripod in, I think. Yes, yeah. And you got this, so you can mount it on a wall or in the ceiling, so you can have it downwards. Oh my, I can, hopefully it works. I can see, you see, yeah, this is quite cool effect, I must say. If I put this in my roof, I know my cat will be busy for a long time. So, well, that's what is. That was it all. Thank you for watching my little unboxing of the laser light effect. Well, I like to have those. I think it's well. I know it may be a little bit silly, but I like to have it have some lights when I do my DJ mixes and so on. And I'm thinking about buying a smoke machine later on, maybe some other month. Buy one just for the fun of it, and also some other lights in the future. So I know I'm looking. I'm not looking at you. I'm really sorry. I'm looking not on at the camera. I know. I'm looking at the effects, and I have three different monitors. So I'm looking at another monitor here as well. So maybe it's looking strange when I'm not looking into the camera, but I hope you can deal with that. That's what's all from this time, and what can I say as a final? Well, this one was around 100 Swedish kroner. Oh, the camera is going, so sorry. 100 Swedish kroner, and well, it works. And it got, as I said, 3 modes. You can use it as a strobe. You can use it as without sound activation, or you can use it with sound. And the microphone is, I will turn it off now, is located in front of the unit. That's maybe not a good spot, but I guess that's because of the fan. Because the fan is back, and if you had a mic back, it would pick up much noise from the fan instead of the music. So I guess that's why they put it, because this will you don't often have the equipment behind you when you are at a stage or so. You got it over you or in front of you. At least that's the most common. So it will be. It had, for that reason, it would be better to have the microphone back. But if when they have a fan, of course, it's better to have it in front of the unit. What else? Yeah, the oh, that was not right. I wonder what power cord. I will pull it off now. This is a really short cable. I think it's maybe 1 meter, if no, if even that. You get also a little manual. It's on Chinese and on English, and it tells you what you need to know. But if you can't figure it out yourself, then you should not. You should maybe not have this one. Hi. No, but it's so simple. You don't need any manual for it. Plug in the power. Look on the back. Decide if you want to have it music controlled or not. If you want to use the strobe or not, and watch which speed you want the strobe or the motor rotation. That's about it. And remember, don't look into this. It's a laser, so, and it's a class 3A laser, so it's not something you will look at directly. It will not harm your eyes forever, but you will get the unpleasant. You will get it unpleasant feeling, and if you're really sensible, maybe you can get damaged more, but do not look into it straight away. That's many just buy this for kids and so on, and they will have fun on their little mini disco, but you should know that this is a laser product. It's and it's a class 3 laser. In some countries, it's not like a laser pen. It's a highly more rated laser than a laser pen or something. It has green laser in it, so be a little bit careful, but have fun. That's what I had this time. I say bye, and thank you for watching.